How to save post on edits. Saving post on Instagram edits lets you keep your favorite content handy for later. When you see a post you want to save, tap the bookmark icon located at the bottom right of the post. That post will be added to your saved collection, which you can access from your profile menu under Saved. You can even organize saved posts into different collections to find them easily later. If you accidentally saved a post, just tap the bookmark icon again to remove it. What kind of post do you save most often? Let me know about it in the comments below. Saving content helps you quickly revisit inspiration or useful info, so make sure to use this feature often. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.